looks like a shoebox. Oh my God.
What in the blue hell
is this? And I'm sorry. It's pretty cool though. So I take it back. But it is pretty wicked, unusual, quirky looking thing, man. Oh my God. Wow. What in the blue hell is this? I don't see a name for this thing. As you can see in the background, look at those videos. Is it the Weekender? WKNDR. It's pretty sick. Yeah, it's pretty cool, dude. I don't know what it's called. I'm sure I'll find it somewhere on Instagram. Someone posts about it. But I think that's the name of this thing. Yeah, right there. PV5 Kia 2024 Wakanda Forever. Wakanda Forever. That's what they remind you of. That's the name. Pretty cool though, but it is kind of quirky looking. I want to go in there so bad. I don't want to be bad and break the rules. But sometimes you have to. Here's the inside of the Weekender. Wow. I don't know. What are you guys' thoughts about this? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. What do you think? Oh, Kia, man, and their creativeness. And they got this thing over here, another one. This is the EV9 ADV NTR. So adventures, right? Cool stuff, though, right, guys? What do you think? Oh my goodness. This is fun. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Wow. They're getting really creative with models around here, man. I don't even know what to say. It looks so mean and aggressive from the front. You gotta give it that. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look cool. That little top bar thing looks so sick. These three little LED lights look sick. The tow hooks look sick. Looks aggressive. So it says on here, pictures encouraged, smudges discouraged. Okay. Oh my God. From a distance though, look at that. Looks cool. I like it. I like it. All right, let's see what else they got here at Kia. Kia. There's a lot of cool shit here, man. Like honestly, like this one of the coolest things. It's probably gotta be the stimulators over here that they're doing. Oh, that's so cool. That is really cool. But let's keep looking. Let me go look at the bus over here. The Kia bus, I call them. I don't know why we're looking at this, but I guess let's do the drive-by. Oh man, I'm just tired, man. I've been filming all day here at the auto show. I just want to take a nap in this cool van. Let's take a break, man. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. A lot of room for activities in here, man. Oh, minivans. Oh, the gang bus. It's a joke, okay? But it's pretty cool. Oh man. A lot of cool stuff around here. Kia, baby, Kia. Let's go take a look at this thing over here. It's supposed to be a new thing. 2025 Kia GT4. This is their sport line. Please keep off. I don't think so. Today's the day. Just kidding. But look how cool it looks. The top glass goes all the way back. Sunroof. This is a really sporty car. When it does the 360, I'll wait patiently.
2 hours later.
I want to see how aggressive the front looks. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, look at that. That looks aggressive. I like it. I like it. Then we have the SUV. The SUV. The SUV. The car. Another car. And then this thing, and then the awkward shoebox at the front. Oh, all right. Let's go back. Let's go back and take a nap. I'm gonna take a nap, guys. I'm sorry, I'm tired. I'm tired. Just kidding. I'm not tired, man. We're here to film for you guys and make all the videos look sexy for you guys. I just want to go back and look at the Weekender. Wakanda forever. Weekender. Whatever the hell this thing is. Just crazy looking. Drop a comment below. Do you like this thing? Or is it too awkward?